In-feed table and powered bridge for Gilbert planer. The two pineapples are specially constructed in a spherical form. This assures a constant feeding without breaking the fibers in the wood. The pineapple's pressure on the wood is controlled by an airbag. The wood does not have to be accumulated before the pineapples. Pieces of wood can be fed one by one. Feeding speed up to 4,500 feet per minute. Very easy adjustments between the speed of the planer and that of the in-feed table. The Gilbert planer can be installed with a very short bridge or no bridge at all. Same electric motorization as the planer. Feed rolls are powered by heavy-duty drive shafts and gear belts.